Hi kids. Hey, we're gonna check our queen to see if she's out of the cage today. It's been 3 days, so we're just real quick gonna check, make sure she's out of the box, and we're gonna close it back up for about 3 or 4 more days. We'll come back in probably Monday or Tuesday. So real quick, let's do this. Give them a little smoke. Don't really need to get too crazy because they don't have no food or anything to protect, so just gonna see if she's out, that's all. Real quick. Whoa, lots of bees. Well, where's the cage at? Let's see. Where do we have a cage? See if we can get a little smoke on them and get them to go down a little bit. There's the cage right there. Looks like she's out. Candy tube's all gone. Bees are going in there. All right, looks good, guys. We're closing it up. Give them about 4 days, and we'll be back to check on them. Get rid of these ones got smashed. All right, kids. We'll see you in a few days.
Bye.